Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to use Instagram threads. Let's have a look. First, open Instagram app on your smartphone. Tap your profile picture icon on bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap three lines menu on top right corner of the screen. Here you will see threads. Tap threads. First time you will see the animation for your threads. Tap Get Threads. This will open up Play Store or App Store to download Threads and Instagram app. You can tap Get button to download Threads. Another way you can get Threads on your smartphone. First, open App Store or Play Store. Then search for Threads. Find out Threads and Instagram app. Tap Get button to download and install Threads and Instagram app. This will start downloading Threads and Instagram app. When Threads downloaded, you can tap Open or from home screen tap Threads icon. For the first time, you will see the Threads welcome screen. By default, you will see your default Instagram account. You can tap Switch Accounts. Here you can see your other Instagram accounts that already logged in, or you can tap Login to another Instagram account. Go back to your default Instagram account. Then tap on your default Instagram account. Now you can customize your Threads profile. You can set new profile or you can import from Instagram. If you would like to set new profile, tap Skip on top right, or you can tap Import from Instagram. Check your Instagram profile name and tap Next. Privacy. Your privacy on Threads and Instagram can be different. Here you can set public profile or private profile. Select one of them and tap Next. Follow the same accounts you follow on Instagram. You can tap Follow All or you can follow individual. Tap Next on top right. How Threads work. Powered by Instagram. Read the information and tap Join Threads. Tap Allow. That's it, your threads created. Now scroll and check Threads feed. A thread is something you post that appears on your profile and in feed. From Threads homepage, tap profile icon on bottom right. Then tap two lines menu on top right. This will open up Threads settings. From Threads profile, you can open Instagram. You can tap privacy icon on top left. From here, you can change privacy settings. If you would like to post threads, tap compose icon from bottom menu. Then you can add text. Also, you can add videos or photos. Tap attach button. Then select any image or video. Tap post. Thread posted. That's it. These are the steps to use Instagram threads. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.